see this question. So the left-hand side, we have square root of x, then raised by x. The right-hand side, we have fourth root of square root 2 divided by 2. Well, let's rewrite every exponent in rational exponent. Remember, square root of x can be written as, as x raised by half. So x raised by half is the square root of x, then raised by x. Then two layers of exponents, we multiply them. So we have x raised by half of x, or x divided by 2. Right. Then if we square, well, maybe we square later. Let's see the right-hand side. Right-hand side, fourth root of square root 2 divided by 2 can be written as square root 2 divided by 2 raised by 1/4. Then again, square root of 2 can be written as 2 raised by half, then divided by 2, then raised by 1/4, right? Raised by 1/4. Then the numerator is 2. Well, we can simplify this, right? Look at this. We have 2 raised by half divided by 2, same base. We subtract the exponent. Do we want to do that? Maybe not. Maybe not. Right? We don't want to get into negative exponent. We don't want to get into negative exponent. Well, now, so those two equals to each other. Now let's square both sides. But we want to get rid of the half for x raised by x divided by 2. So 2 layers of exponents, we multiply them. So x divided by 2 multiplied by 2, that's just x. So the left-hand side, we get x raised by x. Now, if we can write the right-hand side as a number, the base and the exponent to be the same, then we are done. So that's our goal. Let's see how do we do that. So remember, we square the left-hand side, we need to square the right-hand side also. When we square, we multiply this, because this 1/4 is exponent of the numerator and denominator. So we multiply those two, so what do we get? We get a 2 raised by half divided by 2. Now 1/4 times 2, that's half. Right? That's half. So how can we match up those two sides? 2. So the numerator, we have 2 raised by 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. The denominator, no, we don't want to do this. Let's not separate this. So let's just rewrite, because our goal, our task is to rewrite the right-hand side into the same base raised by the base raised by the same number. So what do we do? So we have, let's write on the other side. So we have 2 raised by half, then divided by 2 raised by half, right? So if you want to write it out, if we want to distribute this half outside, the exponent half outside, because this is 2 raised by 1, 2 raised by half, then raised by half again, that's 2 raised by half times half. The denominator is 2 raised by 1, 1 times half, which is 2 raised by half. If we do this, we get a 2 raised by 1/4. Then this is a 2 raised by half. So 2 raised by 1/4, the division of the same base, we subtract the exponent. So we get a 2 raised by negative half, 1/4, right? Multiplied by 2 over 2. 2 over 2. So this we get 1 minus 2, which is a negative 1/4. So 1/4 minus half, which is a negative 1/4. Well, then we can think of this as 2 raised by negative 1, then raised by 1/4. Well, 2 raised by negative 1, if we remember, that's half. Okay, that's half. That's half raised by 1/4. Now, so half doesn't equal to 1/4. So what do? Maybe we'll multiply by If we multiply by 2/2, will that help us? So now let's write over here. So I have a half raised by quarter. All we have to do is to match up this. So 2 raised by 4 is 16. So what can we do is we multiply by 1 with the numerator, with the exponent. So this one is 4/4. Why? Because half raised by 4, because we're going to apply this 4 with half. Then we're left with a quarter times quarter, which is 1/16, right? So let's use 2 layers, 1/16, because the quarter times quarter is 1/16. And this numerator 4 will apply to half, which is here. Now what's that? 1 raised by 4, which is 1. 2 raised by 4 is 16. So bingo, we have matched the base with the exponent. So let me write it here. X raised by x equals to 1/16 raised by 1/16. So now we can conclude x equals to 1/16. Okay, this could be done easier. I think I went around when, so that's it. So basically we have to know the rules, the properties of exponents, then use them.